This is the Jesus barn. There's my two dogs. Going into the Jesus barn. It's pretty cool though. It's really big in here. Can't look at the mess though because John's cleaned everything out. There's like a stable. There's a whole chicken coop. This side there. This barn is huge. And it's just John's working on cleaning right now. There's another chicken coop in there. See? Chicken coop. And then the roof needs a little work, not much. And there's another chicken coop in there. It's kind of scary in here. Mom had a bunch of chickens in here. Last year, but she moved into town and everything. So yeah, that's the barn. It's my horsey field. Okay, I love you. Bye.